how to meditate. Simple way. Have the ideals, murti in front of those who are meditation, and look at him and shut the eye and sit there. So we see there some name, some Ram name, some Om like that. To meditate you on your ideal's photo. Ideal what is? The man whom you think that he is a perfect master, keeping his photos in front and have seized and shut the eye. And that photo should be equal to your face. Some people do closing the air in like that. That is not need not. In Kali Yuga, that need not it. You sit in the lone room, and where there is no noise and nothing, and you sit and do it. So you have to meditate here. Your mind will go here, there. So the close the mind at one place is called meditation. And for whom? To know the God. This is the way to know God inside. So what is the meditation? Simply you meditate on the photos or the shape of your ideal. Ideal must be living man. So after that you can ask him, this double, he will reply. Otherwise if you do, then balance of the mind not in order sometimes. Because it is very, very delicate things, so you be careful about the order of the perfect master. Follow me? Ideal must be living man, not the other, not the sound, not the light, now don't think further thing, ago. Just you meditate. So meditation is this kind. Or you do it alone in any room, in your home, anywhere you can do it. And doing this is what your mind will close, wavering, it will stop. And when the perfect master thinks that he controls his mind, then he will give order for the further. Otherwise not go. If there is any trouble or feeling you in the mind, then come tell him, the perfect master, that I am feeling like that. So he will guide you right way. So without advice of the perfect master, you should not do meditation. Otherwise, there is some danger of being the balance upset. Follow? Okay. So this is meditation. Meditation means to close the mind. The mind is vibrating here and there. So this is the this is the uneasiness, and the mind close here, then that is easy, peace. Totally. The next, the gentleman come to here, how to attain salvation, how to attain salvation in the life, in this life, not the after death, no, in this life. That is further thing. When your worldly problem all is all right, you have everything, house, cloth, and to eat, and sufficient love. You need not other thing. If you need other thing, first complete that. If your house or vehicle or anything desire, then first you complete this all. Not to hurry, not to worry. Jaldi. So here we come to play here. God is in you. Who is he talking now? That is in you, everybody. Previously, the saint keep it sacred, and this is the time that the man is very, very intelligent, understand all the things, so he tells him clearly. So whatever I am telling, the saint are not telling, and not told the old saint. What I am telling? What I am telling? God is in you. None center that you know. Here, there, and go those places, and this place, and that guru, that I get further. So you need not to go here and there. He is in you. Believe in that. What I am telling you, believe that God is always with me. He is always with me and in everybody. And they don't know, again, they have no knowledge about it. That is why they are wandering here and there. So men need knowledge. So here for the how to attain salvation. Salvation what? We are tried here. We have attachment, so many attachment here. Wife's attachment, brother attachment, children attachment, so many attachment. In that position, if you want to get salvation, no. Because at the time of dying, your child will come, your wife will come, you want to go further. So you get salvation from them here, because they are not, you will understand it further, so many spiritual discourses. Listen, then you will understand all. So what to do? Salvation is be detached from here, be detached from everything. You will get so knowledge that none is mine. All are I need here, but when I go, nobody will go with me. No wife, no children, no bank balance, nothing. And all the things are here. Here. Today is up, at night you sleep, and tomorrow whether you are come or not, somebody say, oh, heart attack, this and that. So if you have this knowledge, then you don't bother about it. So salvation is a very easy thing, but whom? Those who are desired like you, like gentleman Michael. How far from he come, he has right to get it. And such a man will get the salvation. Such a man who spent the money and so in trouble, at night come, he alone, first he came and dwar again. What for? He understood. What? Radiation. What was radiation? He come here, he like it, because by waves under me they are also going, you from also coming, this is radiation. This is the scientists told us like that, after experiment. So it's for radiation means a man, what type of the man is radiation? Come and go, come and go. If a gentleman is spiritual go. So he came, he to research, search and come direct. Because in his or his strong desire has such a power, so automatically will come. So God is within him, God is within you, God is within me. So first day I told the God is in you and here in everybody. And today he want to how to meditate on that. How to meditate? To meditate means to control the mind. That is not the destination meditation. That is to control the mind to close one place and become powerful, so that he can advance further. For this purpose. And second, how to attain salvation, how to detach from these all things. It is not his little thing, but those who want to go there, it is very easy thing. Such gentleman come here from and that is getting touch with me. After that, this gentleman, he is also do my work. As far as I am living, he can whatever he want, he can ask everything. Anything you want to ask him, he will tell you. Because I am old age, but I come here for you. So directly you come here to me and then you understand it's all. And this is first step is to attach me, or attach me means through him. Whatever I have, he has also. Whatever he, you have also. Same thing is with you. So today, what is the great question? What is very better question? Nobody, none, Rashtrapati, kings, nobody. What? How to attain salvation? Mean be detached from all the things from here. Be detached, then you get salvation. Living life. The perfect master will tell you, Daddy, satsang is needed for it. When you do meditation, at that time satsang is very necessary. Spiritual knowledge is daily, you should listen. Either by on the YouTube or by reading a book. That is very necessary. Self-know is all and everything. If you know yourself, what is talking, you know about the God. Because the outside God is very far and that is very burning. The sun you see, or that God is behind sun. The super being is behind sun. So you all are, and I myself, all we are the a part of that God, that super being, not sun. Sun automatically is here, but that is up to the life. Body, mind or soul, that is from suns we get. And the talking thing under us, the spirit, that is from that. Who being only can go there. No elephant, no anything can go there. Again, he came from there and he can go. Because he is a part. He is attraction, like to like. To automatic. And so seeing that is, further I shall tell you, in the way of the meditation come this way. From here start is say. So here this place he need not to do meditation because he has all the worldly thing. Here meditation means whatever you want will come easily. And for those who want worldly thing, that they should meditate here, not further. First worldly thing is there. First of all, we need food. If there is no food, who will do meditation? So that is the first thing. First thing, the world, make this world happy in this world, and then you can go again. So first you pray in the world, as far as you are taking interest. Sometimes doctor, sometimes engineer, sometimes Muslim, sometimes this, sometimes beggar, or sometimes doctor, or sometimes patient. Patient. This is acting of every human. So God is playing in you everything. This is God's game. So the test be totally, then he will understand it fully. Today, great question he asked me. First, how to meet the God? By through meditation. If your mind is not closed, then where we go? Mind go here and there, don't want. If mind is meditated, then he can listen the discourses of the perfect master and get knowledge. And knowledge, after knowledge, he will do everything. People do not know how to meditate. Sometimes do something, sometimes something, some guru, some like that, sometimes some colors, white color, this and that. First of all, you come here to meditate your shares, you're talking to him, your mind will close at one place. And daily practice is that. But for this, what need? It need to maintain the celibacy. Celibacy is the semen in you. So that we can, up to your age, 25, you do not see the woman like that. And you do not know that cream is here. You are looking very nice and very happy, this and that, all the good thing you do. And if you discharge that thing before time, then that is weakness. For what it is there, we hear not to the voice and not to the color. First of all, we should meditate on the perfect master. He must be living, so that if there is any problem, we ask the question. What question we will ask to the internal Guru's photo? Guru came here, your mind is make it. So in living master is very necessary, and the life of the celibacy is very necessary, meditation. Or without that, because your celibacy is not complete. Most of the people, including all, I myself, some more, some less. So that is not, those who are not to meditation, they should maintain today's. Today we started. Any further, I do not. If no children, you do. But if you have children and you enjoy the sexual pleasure, you won't go there. You don't meditate and you become mad. What are you doing? So that do not do. Not to be angry, not to be worried, not to be sorry, do your duty well. And this is the perfect master's discourse. Knowledge is necessary. Because we are here attached with everything. So to be detached from all is get salvation. When there is nothing, then your soul is the thing weight. And at the dying time, your soul has no weight at all until cross the gravitation of the land. When the things be thrown up, then that go up to some limit. From that limit they come down. The gravitational land can follow it. But if you want to take this something others with you, you won't go there. Detach from all and everything. Nothing, you have nothing, sir. One God. From where you come, from where we come, dear. This is first gentleman who come for this purpose. And first that was here in Indian. And this is the first foreigner. Don't know our language. I don't know his language. And he come to me and I began to talk in English. So, do you understand what question is started? Do you understand? So now you see how to meditate. For this purpose, I told you that you should have attend daily lecture on the spiritualism. For in that you will get the knowledge. Knowledge will lead you all the way, what to do, what not to do, what to do, what, and that is, you read it. First, second,
Yes.
third.
What is योग क्या है? What is yoga?
What is yoga? Yoga means to join. To whom? With God. Join. Yes.
Yoga means chittvarti nirodha.
Uh,
Refers to stilling the mind in order to experience ultimate reality and move towards self-realization.
move to realization. Self. What is talking this?
Yoga means is this.
So you can say God.
Yoga means you are a part of the super being and you join yourself to the super being. This is called yoga. It means the yoga is removing all fluctuations of mind, good and bad. Yoga is the stilling of the mind until it rests in the state of ultimate peace. The next question Maharaj ji already told. What is meditation? Dhyan kya hai? Meditation means keeping thoughts strongly focused on one place or ideal is called meditation. In spiritual practice, there are 3 stages of meditation. One is meditation of the form of true master. The second stage is meditation in white light.
Second stage is in white light. There is.
And the third is spirit sound meditation, Surut Sabad Yoga.
That we start from here. You listen me. Again you tell me. Shuru se. Pehla ka start.
First is meditation of form of true master.
True. Here.
Second is meditation in white light.
White light is here. In this place is white light. That is. And in there your ideas, their thoughts will not come here. Stop. Thoughts khatam. There no thought. Thoughtless. And you play in the white light like a sheep in the water playing like that.
And last is spirit sound meditation, Surut Sabad Yoga.
Yeah, that start from here. The small child, 2 months or 3 months, tip here is. This place. यहाँ पर you come, then what do you realize? That is God's name. That cannot be written in the paper, cannot be told by the tongue. So how to understand that? That you can experience. That you get a experience. How to get experience? The perfect master show you. This yoga जो है, the sounds are, the dictionary is what you talk, who is talking, spirit is यहाँ पर. So ये यहाँ पर चलता रहेगा. And then again,
Merge in the anami, merge in the sound.
One station is further or
Agam.
that, but I not stayed there.
Yes.
That is Agam. That's called Agam. Here is also like that, a country like that. But that cannot be told, cannot be realized. And after that, when you come here on the peak of the head, at that time there is no sound or no listener, nothing. Last comes as you go deep sleep. In deep sleep, what you see? In that, when you meet the God, you become God. So you need not to just that His part. So far you are not coming back. And then you come back, then again for you, this purpose. Going on. So this way is the card here, is in this way.
Yeah. Next is ध्यान के लिए क्या शर्तें हैं? What are the conditions for meditation? Like celibacy, there are some conditions. If you don't fulfill them, it means you are not eligible for meditation. So first you have to understand them. The first one is celibacy. And second thing, you must be having what you want, worldly things. For bread and butter, you must be having all these things. And health should be okay. Means balance of body, mind and soul. Then you can start meditation. Next is why we meditate. हम ध्यान क्यों करते हैं? Why? What is the aim of the meditation?
What is the aim?
Question here is why we meditate. हम meditation क्यों करते हैं?
That is,
Yes.
that is the question.
Yes.
Next,
Are you getting?
not simply yes. When you doubt, stop. Question, attend.
Yes. Let me tell you in Hindi. The answer is Jivat Santi Chit Base Ant Mein Satguru Des. Means while you are living here in this world, You should have peace of mind. जीवित शांति चित्त बसे. Peace of mind. You are happy here, always smiling.
Always.
अंत में सतगुरु देश.
Ah,
Then finally you merge in the super being. That's why we do meditation.
in this world, we live happy always. Everything was with us. No worry, no sorry, nothing. And then last day, we go there. Last year, we go there to our own home. The supremest God. Two things, yes.
Yes, Maharaji. Next question is the most important. How to meditate? I see lot of people go and sit and close eyes and keep on sitting for 1 hour, 2 hours, but they don't know how to meditate. कैसे
That-
ध्यान कैसे करें?
That is, knowledge is first.
Yes.
First you get knowledge from the perfect master, and for that purpose you have what I have written. The knowledge the perfect master will give you, for that you go, that I am giving now. Okay, I say, you do like that, this way. प्रश्न क्या था?
How to meditate? ध्यान कैसे करें?
कैसे करें ध्यान? ध्यान की बात पहले था. ध्यान करने का तरीका बता दिया कि look the photo of
Form
the
of
perfect
master.
master and suppose that he is God. He is super being. He is same super being. It is impossible, the man of today, but he will have to do what to do. Because the God, you won't talk with him, so you could talk like the man like us. That is why he is necessary first. So follow me.
Yes. Maharaji, I would like to ask a question. I see some people keep rosary in hand and they move the buds. Or some people repeat the name of some, like Radha Swami, Ram Ram. Is that meditation?
That is the beginning. That is learning like a child. Child go to college, school. The first of all he will say, Kavan kabutar, Kavan kabutar, Kavan khargos, like that. The child is there. Or someone say, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 like that. So that is the first knowledge, that essential. But to whom? Those who are nothing knowledge. And such a man know these things. So he need not to go to necessary classes. He need not to go for that classes.
Primary classes.
That classes of the Gurus, Radha Swami, he need not for that. They sit down and you remember now and the knowledge at all. The knowledge is first and then is meditation. And he cannot be satisfied for that. He went there and this and that, everything he sees, and he don't was satisfied. He is intelligent man. So he read all the primary classes. Then why, what interest he has to sit at the secondary primary again?
Yes.
ठीक है ना? So such a man needs the reality. What is that? समझ गया?
Yes, समझ गया. समझ गया.
Or fourth anything.
Yeah, next is, हम मोक्ष क्यों प्राप्त करते हैं? Why we attain salvation?
Salvation means to be detached from, to be detached totally. Detached from this is the relation is the soul. This is not permanent. Here your wife, no wife is for some time, some past life, but you have given her trouble, he will give you trouble. So we are here coming, going, chakkar. So go out of from this way is the salvation, permanent to go there. Understood?
Yes. Next is, जीवित रहते हुए मोक्ष कैसे प्राप्त किया जाए? You already told how to attain salvation while living in this body, while living in this life. What is the way of salvation?
With full knowledge, for you get knowledge. Satsang, you get knowledge. So knowledge is the things, all the things he will tell. How to get it. You are living here, but you think that this is nothing. This is nothing. Nobody go with me. This is a drama. The God is playing with everybody. Something like that. In the living time, he will think like that. Or that perfect master will say. And by through the meditation, he understood this all.
Yes.
By knowledge, he will get that all everything. Knowledge is necessary and then meditation.
The next is, samadhi क्या है? What is samadhi?
Samadhi means to stop the mind one place. Samadhi means as we are going here to bring the mind here, and when the mind calm here, totally stop here, yes, samadhi. Lost all and everything. That is samadhi. When you see the face of the Guru, that is not samadhi. That is meditation way in view. Then you see the lights, white light, that is not. So what is that? That is you created this you. Talking, light you create. And the other further sound is create you. So you are creator all and everything because you are the part of the super being and you have no knowledge. So this knowledge will impart you the perfect master. Then last one you get the samadhi. And samadhi means so the sound is samapt, sab kuch. Then after the perfect master will tell you that gentleman, you are doing that all. You are markaz alam, marde fakir ko bataya uske. He perfect master. Michael, Mister, you are all and everything. Everything in you. You create this, here Guru's shape. You create that is the sound. You create light and then sound, and you mix yourself. So you are the all and everything. The man is the qualification, the same the Lord, super being. So same qualification. The thing he is talking, nobody tell what you may ask to Rashtrapati or the king of the king or any highly educated man. Sir, what is talking in you? Talking? Nobody knows it. And if he knows what is talking, he will say, I am talking. I bow, same, bow. Super being. A super being who could claim this, who realize it. If he does not realize it practically, he cannot say like that. Michael, you have all and everything. God is in you. You do all and everything, and you have no knowledge. So you get this knowledge, and this is through perfect master will give you, or tell you to understand and to realize it within self like that. And after realizing that, he will say, you are all and everything. Last time he disclosed this whole thing. Nothing, I did nothing. You are all and everything, and you come to me. So you are all and everything. You are all and everything. You are all. Yes, and you have no knowledge. No knowledge is bondage में, इसे बंधन में और मुक्त होने की तरीका ये. Understood or not?
Yes, understood.
So you are all and everything. He is all and everything. So show him the way you part the knowledge is your duty. And same thing is you. When you are going to English speaking people don't know about this. इतना how it is educated both very well. But he has black nothing. So you do that work there. That give, then you will take. Yeah, you simply think, so you are giving because how much money you have spent to come here? Come here, no gentleman come. So you are right man to give them education, and same you will get. Give and take. In this world, whatever we give, so we do take. If you give this knowledge, you will get the knowledge. So whatever I am telling to you, and for you want to come here, will you get in this process. So your process go and YouTube, maintain your YouTube, and then your website also, books also. Okay? And suppose God with me. Always believe in Him, that you are always with me. You remember Him. The shape in which you are praying, you remember. Oh, you are all everything. All of your problems, some problem, you concentrate and see Him. Please, see me, this problem. Automatically go away. Anyhow, will solve. No problem at all. So this way you will get how? When you impart this knowledge. When you give the knowledge to the people, then that will return to you. So a method I telling you, that is why you come here, and that is you prepare the YouTube
Yes.
वगैरह.
Yes.
This I will give you.
Okay.
And after that he will automatically do that. So you come for a great purpose. Yes?
Maharji, you say that when we know ourselves, the process of knowing ourselves one by one is meditation, a beginning of that procedure.
She is asking that from where we start meditation. We start first from the form of the master. For the beginner, he start meditation for the form of the master, because he is not qualified for white light, he is not qualified for the Surat Sabad Yoga. So what to do? Where to stay your mind? So you make an ideal and stay your mind there. So it will not fluctuate. Otherwise, it will keep on going good or bad thoughts. So ideal form is the first stage of meditation.
Understood. So suppose you need not to do that thing. When the master tells you, am I meditate this, then do, otherwise balance will be like that. Previously it will come. So need not be happy. Eat a good, and we give family good daily, tasty food, this and that, all and everything. And when master says you are right, to meditate, otherwise not. This knowledge will give.
With the guidance of master, you start meditation.
This is not for all. You do the work, daily work. Karma yoga. You do your duty first. Duty first and religion after.
Any more question?
Maharaji, when we do meditation on your photo inside, one effect is concentration, one-pointedness. But I feel there are other effects too. If we meditate on you, then we get your qualities. Is it like this, that we get inside clean?
Michael is saying he meditates for your form, for your photo. Then he feels concentration of mind. But he is saying that by concentrating on your photo, what are the other effects?
Knowledge of radiation, not both come. Radiation come. Knowledge come to listen here, discourses. Radiation come. Radiation, what radiation I have? Always living in the same mood. Always living same mood. So that radiation you will get. You have energy, you have desire, this and that. So radiation get you. Yeah, when you remember the God, some problem, oh God, what to do? So that radiation there, and the God is within you. So in front of you, to solve the problem. Here will help, there will help, everywhere is help. So you get this. Do you follow? Satisfied or not? If you are not satisfied, clear again.
Yes. You say, and Fakir Ji says, that the inside picture is a projection, is projected by the mind. It's not real, it's Maya. But when we feel your radiation coming in concentration, is this real? Is this real, or is it again done by the own mind?
Michael is saying that he meditates for your photo. Then you say in this discourse that this meditation of photo is illusion, Maya. This is illusion. You create photo of your master. In the dream or in the meditation, you create this photo. But when he receives radiation by meditating your photo, is that also illusion?
The photos will come, that is Maya. The perfect master will tell you, gentlemen, this is you are making, I will not come to you. You see me, I was not there. You make it. So you yourself make to go further. Then you go further. He will tell that this is Maya. Follow me?
Yes, his question is different, Maharaji. He wants to ask something else. He says when he meditates your photo, he feels happiness, he receives radiation. Is that real? Is that true? When he feels happiness from your meditation, is that real or is that Maya?
Real. The real. The real will be happen with you. That real.
Radiation is real. Yes. Effect is there, na? It means it is there. Science proves that everything have radiations. Orange is having some fragrance. That is the radiation of orange. Like police have some dogs. They smell their cloth of the thief, and dog chase that smell.
This is thief.
This is thief. He catch that smell, and so science proves this, that radiation is real.
When we imagine Captain G inside, and Captain G is in the vibration of Anami with God, I think it's like this. When we imagine him, we tune in the same vibration. It's like in physics, you know, and then we get the same vibration, and then it is real. Is it like this?
It will come gradually. First when you start meditation, you meditate here. He is trying to say that when he meditate your photo, and because you are here connected to the God in the Surat Sound Yoga, so he will receive that state. He will reach that state at some point of time. He will go there by your radiation.
But coffee, you need more knowledge. That will clear you. Otherwise, you forget. So it will become fear, you have doubt, fear, you have doubt, always. So when you listen to so many knowledge from perfect master, then all will realize it. The key is, prepare knowledge. Anything more.
For a beginner, it is possible to concentrate on the photo. That is one thing. Next thing is white light. How we do this? Because we need how to do.
Michael says that how to go in the white light.
I go white light.
Yes, how to reach there in the white light.
No, first of all, the photo must come. Photo must be see you practically. So one photo, then other photo, this long time, so photo. First of all, you see. So enough you see, then the perfect master say, this is you make it. To give up this, then you will go up. Otherwise, not. He will believe in you that I myself telling God, I am not come to here. I did not come. So this is you are making, gentlemen. Give up this. Go up. Your way is further. Your destination is lead further. So for further, what is you from where to go from this? You give up this all photos, and then light will see you. And for light, I told you that celibacy is necessary. As there are two ways here. One is light and other is sound. So those who are not able to catch the light, energy, not energy, even not, then that will go the other direct way. There is no light, sound. Sound is coming. There are two ways. One is light and one is direct.
One way is white light, one way is sound. And as I understand, first we must have the photo inside,
Yes.
then give up the photo, see its illusion, and then automatically comes white light or comes sound.
Yes, yes. Automatically. To whom? Those who maintain the celibacy. Those who do not maintain celibacy, not come light, gentlemen. And most of people we are not able for that thing. So attend me. Most of we are not attend to that thing because we are all clear, lost there. And still Buddha order as we people sleep together. So mind is working like that. So that is why we are not fit for the light. We people are not fitting this scent of this time told that this is very different way. So that is why they give this way of this sound. Nothing you see from yourself. You see from yourself how you maintain. I know it. I also Sam Ketterman. I experience about it. समझिए बात रास्ता बहुत that is very good but cannot because we more or less lose the semen, lost the semen. Isliye we are not fit for that. So most of the people are they are able to go the ability direct way, sound is easy one. For the road or other thing, nothing come. But at the time of dying, the perfect master come. Then you suppose that I shall go again and come the same way and we same course. The perfect master came, to I shall go there, and he will to touch with him, and all the working the balance work that will start from beginning and reach this. So coming perfect master is not a small thing. Suppose that not come the light, don't worry about that. Sound comes, that's you will go. If the sound is not come, a perfect master come, then you again come. If the sound come and all the thing, then you won't come back because there is no weight with you. Clear? I am not teacher of the primary school or secondary or college. No, I am teacher of the PhD. Those who are MA, those who are qualified like that, gentlemen for teacher them. Any question you, 5 minutes I have. So I don't want to waste your time, you ask me. Any question, these questions will always leave until you not get the knowledge. Full knowledge after what is knowledge, when you get the knowledge of yourself, at what time, after there is no question. And it will take some time. But still you ask. You don't read any other book. To mine or this gentleman, what
Okay.
I say, that's
Okay.
enough.
Okay.
Don't go for the other well. You say, oh, God bless them all are good at their places, all are good for their places. To touch with me and this. So you never repeat not to see them. Nothing is there. I know it, I read these all, everything. My books, later on he will translate that. I am responsible if there any question, anything more. Kafi?
And I should work and live more detached. That is a problem. When I'm concentrated in meditation, it's good, but in work, basically work, little family, it's too much tension. And this is only, stored. It is a program coming through life. Was difficult life. Now life is not difficult, but before 30 years was very difficult. And this is not going out from the brain. It's just software now.
Yes, the gentleman is saying he's had a lot of struggle in his life, financial problems and many